Welcome to Synapse 101, your weekly dose of neurological teaching. We just had completed this series of videos demonstrating the lateral aspect of your gross cortical anatomy of the cerebral hemisphere. As a bonus, I am making this video using a small brain model. I bought this brain model from a toy store back home in the Philippines. The small details are truly amazing. To begin, let us orient you first. This is anterior and this is the posterior aspect. So therefore, this view is the left cerebral hemisphere. This is your central sulcus of Rolando. So anterior to that will be all frontal lobe. This is your precentral gyrus, which is your primary motor cortex, precentral sulcus. In front of it is your superior frontal gyrus, where you have your horizontal gaze center, Brodmann's area 8. Superior frontal sulcus, then your middle frontal gyrus, inferior frontal sulcus, and inferior to that is inferior frontal gyrus. This is your pars orbitalis, pars triangularis, and pars opercularis. Back to the central sulcus of Rolando, then this is your post-central gyrus, which is your primary somatosensory cortex. Then after which will be your post-central sulcus, and behind will be your superior parietal lobule and inferior parietal lobule. Lateral sulcus, or also called a Sylvian fissure. Then your superior temporal gyrus, superior temporal sulcus, and posteriorly will be your angular gyrus. Middle temporal gyrus, middle temporal sulcus, and then below it will be inferior temporal gyrus. So this is your parieto-occipital sulcus that separates parietal lobe from your occipital lobe. At the pole, you have your Brodmann's area 17, which functions as your primary visual cortex. Then around it will be your Brodmann's area 18 and 19, which are your association visual cortices. So that completes our gross cortical anatomy of the cerebral hemisphere lateral aspect.